In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bill in Xero. Navigating through accounting software like Xero might seem a bit daunting at first, especially if you're just getting familiar with it, but creating a bill is actually quite straightforward. Let's go through it step by step and make sure you're clear on how to do it efficiently. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of your Xero dashboard. Here, you'll notice a plus icon. This might seem like a simple symbol, but it's essentially a gateway to adding various types of transactions and data entries. Clicking on this plus icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options that allow you to add different types of records. For our purpose today, we're interested in creating a bill, so from that drop-down menu, you'll want to go ahead and select Bill. This action will lead you to a new page that specifically caters to entering bill information. At this point, you're ready to input all the relevant details of the bill you want to create. Think of this as filling in all the necessary information on an invoice form, but in reverse. Instead of the items you're billing out, you'll be entering the expenses or charges that you're responsible for paying. When entering the details of the bill, make sure you're as thorough as possible. Input the date of the bill, the due date, the bill issuer's name, reference numbers, and of course, the amount in question. Additionally, ensure that the line items are correctly detailed with descriptions and proper amounts. This level of attention to detail will help you avoid any potential discrepancies later on. Also, it's a good idea to double-check your work here. Ensure everything aligns correctly with any physical documents or emails you received from the supplier to prevent any inconsistencies. After you've diligently filled in all the relevant fields and reviewed everything for accuracy, you'll come to a couple of options at the bottom. Here, you can either choose to save the bill as a draft if you need to revisit it later, or, when you're all set, you can click on Send or Approve. The decision between sending or approving depends on your specific workflow, or if you require another layer of approval, perhaps from a manager or an accountant. Selecting Approve immediately posts the bill as an account payable in Xero, allowing you to proceed with future payment when the bill is due. And there you have it. Creating a bill in Xero is as simple as that. By mastering these straightforward steps, you're on your way to enhancing your proficiency with Xero and streamlining your accounting process. Whether it's for your business or personal finance management, being able to enter your bills correctly ensures that your financial records are accurate and up to date. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions about using Xero, feel free to check out our other guides. Cheers.